All right, so the next thing on this one is to basically finish cutting the edges. It's going to work because I already did one wider than this. I did one at 12 1/8. This is only 10 1/8 finished, so it's going to work. I've never cut through the two-part epoxy, but I have a friend that does a lot of woodworking, and he does it all the time. He said works great, so this will be my first shot at it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off that tape, which we really don't have to worry too much about because it's going to be gone anyhow. So that's all I'm doing, is removing that portion of it. I'm not going to worry about it, the other parts. I'm going to get just that little lip off. I could use a knife on that, I suppose. But this is all going to be gone anyhow. There's like a little bit of red edge right here. In fact, it's kind of sharp. It's one of the reasons I put the gloves on. This stuff can actually create a really, really sharp, like almost a knife sharp edge. So again, there have been no fasteners on this, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm not worried about length. I'm just taking off about 1/4 of an inch at the most, because this is a prototype. I don't have to cut to any particular length, but this is also the last opportunity I'll have to square it up, which is going to happen right now. And I'm looking at which side might be the better to cut it on. I didn't run some of this stuff through. This stuff actually has a bump on it, but I did not run this through the jointer. And so I'm getting a little bit of rocking, which I wouldn't normally have done on a regular finished product, but that's also causing it to not quite go up to the fence quite right. So I'm just going to pick a point where this, I think, is as close as it's going to get to square to the fence, and that's going to be it right there. Put the headgear on. Drum roll. Again, waiting until the blade completely stops, pull it up so you can grab that. There's my cut. Perfect, perfect. Real happy with that. All right, so we're done shaping the materials. We're done with the finishing, and so I'm basically going to backtrack a little bit, and I'm going to put the joinery on next. That'll be covered under the joinery section.